So these are my ingredients to prepare the recipe. I have some onion and garlic powder, a pinch of salt and black pepper. I have my corn over there. I also have my corned beef. Now guys, I'm not doing a promotion, so I removed the label. I also wash the can. You know you have to wash the can because you don't know what curl on it, alright? Now I have my cabbage. I cut mine in some big pieces. I have my onion. I have a small piece of scallion. I have my yellow and my green sweet pepper. I also have some hot pepper. Now this is all I'm gonna be using other than some oil. So come on and let's start the recipe. Now the corn is totally optional. I do love the corn with the cabbage and the corned beef, but if you want to skip it, then of course you can. Now it's some sweet corn that I am using from the can. You could also use some mixed vegetables. To the pot I added a little oil, maybe about 2 tablespoons. Now I'm gonna add some onion and some of my sweet pepper, alright? And also a little bit of the scotch bonnet pepper as well. Now all of them seasoned there, I'm showing now. I'm gonna share it in half. So I'm gonna use some to fry up my corned beef and then some to steam my cabbage. Now guys, for the recipe I do like to prepare like I don't like to steam the cabbage first and then I just add the corned beef in there. No, corned beef is raw, so I do like to prepare it first. Prepare my corned beef first, and then after I do that, then I remove it from the pot and then I steam my cabbage. Alright, that's just my way, y'all. If you don't like it that way, then do it the way you like it. When I do it this way, it comes out amazing, you know, everybody enjoy it. So my way is the best way to me. But if you enjoy the recipe, you want to give it a try, don't forget to give me your feedback. Now I'm gonna add a little black pepper to the corned beef. Now I don't like to add like pack season to my corned beef. I just add a little black pepper and some natural seasoning and I'm good to go. Alright, so you have that type of person who love add pack season, then of course go add some powder seasoning, alright? Now I'm just gonna fry my corned beef for about 5 minutes or so. And then I am going to add my corn. Now I do like to add the corn at this time, you know, but if you like, you could always add the corn to the cabbage. Now just give it a nice mix and then you let it saute for about 2 more minutes and then we're going to remove it from the pot and then we're going to steam up the cabbage, alright? And of course guys, you don't want to use a lot of oil for the recipe because remember corned beef has its own fat. So you don't need to drown the pot with oil, alright? You're not going to deep fry your corned beef. You just have to add a little oil just to, you know, to cook down your corned beef, alright? Now I'm just going to remove it from the pot now and then I place it on a plate. And then we're going to proceed to steam a cabbage, alright? My cabbage, I don't like it to be fully steamed, so I'm gonna steam it like 90% of the way. When I'm eating it, it's supposed to have a little crunch. Now after I remove my corned beef, I'm adding like a tablespoon of oil. Alright, there's no oil left in the pot, so to saute my veggies and to steam the cabbage, you're gonna need a little oil. Alright, so after the oil become hot, I'm gonna place my vegetables into the pot. Now just give them a nice mix and you know just kind of use the vegetables to kind of clean the corned beef from the pot, the little particles of corned beef that is left. Yeah, because you don't want them to burn, alright? Now that's what I'm doing there. Afterwards I'm gonna add my cabbage, but I'm gonna saute them for about 2 minutes on a very low flame. So to add the cabbage, after you add the cabbage, you could also add some carrot to it as well. Alright, this recipe you can add whatever you like to add, you know, just take it and make it your own. Alright, so just mix it nicely so that it can be, you know, fully incorporated together. And then you have to use oil, of course. Then we go mix all our seasoning that is left. Now the pinch of salt is optional if you are hypertensive, or you check by your salt level, which means I use a lot of salt. Because the corned beef salty already. You now have to add no salt to the cabbage if you don't want to. Alright, but I choose to add it, so that's why I added a pinch, maybe like a 1/8 teaspoon. Alright, so just mix them nice because you don't want some part taste of the season and then some part of it. You want all of it to be flavorful. So okay guys, so I realized that I got a lot of supporters. I am super excited. I am so grateful. I appreciate you all. And I want to say welcome to Tamara Recipes. Continue sharing the videos, guys. I'm blessed upon myself. Yes, straight. Now, guys, my cabbage was fully cooked. Maybe about 90% of the way. As I said before, I want a little crunch to it. So, I'm going to add the corned beef mixture at this point. And then I'm going to add some. You remember add the scallion? Yeah. This is the time where I'm going to add the scallion. Then I'm going to give it a little mix, sorry. And then after I give it a mix, then I'm going to just, kind of saute it in for about 2 minutes. Just all them flavors there to blend together. And trust me guys, if I ever tried a combo here, it's shot. Yeah. So, just stir everything nicely. Use a low flame. And, after 2 minutes, it's all done. Alright guys, I love the color. And if you love enough seasoning like sweet pepper and so on, I could ever add some more, right? Just to make it be more vibrant and beautiful. And even if I did have some carrot to it, trust me guys, it will be even more beautiful. Alright, so this is the end product. I'm gonna have mine with some white rice, of course. Say corned beef go well with some nice steamed white rice. Alright, so bless up on yourself guys, and thank you so much for stopping by. And I hope you guys are doing well, of course, because guess what, we have to think about our body not true and our well-being. So bless up on yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click that little bell. I post new videos every week. See you next time. Cheers.